Hello YouTubers, back again. Finally back doing a video. It's been a little while. Hopefully I can throw a little more content together for you guys. I have the Megan Racing N1 exhaust here. So we are going to do an install on that. Give you guys a little information on it. Show you what it's like underneath the car, this compared to the factory exhaust. This is going to be a single exit N1 style. So in the back we will do a delete. We'll have to get the lower bumper garnish to delete that spot there. They do make a plastic panel that goes over top in place of this one here. So we'll do that, make it look nice and seamless. Should come out pretty good. The only other mod so far we've done is I did do the PRL short ram. It sounds amazing. We'll get some sounds of that thing here soon. So far that's been awesome. Intake air temps are not horrible, but whenever I do the titanium inlet pipe upgrade, whether it's titanium or stainless, whichever, we're gonna heat wrap that. Maybe that'll help temps. Maybe I'll have to go with the HVI or a true cold air and go further down. But for now, intake temps are not horrible. Also here in Ohio, so it's not bad. But yeah, so we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get this thing installed and see how she sounds. All right, guys, we are under the car. Very simple on this exhaust. You got the factory twin loop here. Really easy. Just need to take out a hanger there. Hanger on the other side. You got your center hangers. And then up in the front there, you got a couple more hangers by the resonator. Just take all those out, pop them down. You'll have 3 bolts way up front there on the front, behind the front pipe. Take those 3 nuts out and the whole exhaust will drop down in one piece. It is a one-piece exhaust. For those that don't know, the only section that's removable off of the cat back, or I should say front pipe back, is this side. So this twin loop muffler can come off, but the rest is one piece. I'm not a big fan. I wish I had more flange spots or band clamp spots, but it is what it is. It is very lightweight. If you ever take off an exhaust off one of these cars, it weighs next to nothing, which is nice. So they did save weight there. So we'll get this thing off. We'll get started on putting on the new, and we're excited for sounds. Alrighty guys, we're back again. Got the old off, got the new on. I'll say the biggest nightmare to this is the hangers, but as long as you use a little penetrating oil, Freol, freeze off, PB Blast, or WD-40, any of those things, spritz that on your rubber hanger, they will fall right off. It's so nice. So that's a good trick to know. Simple band clamps, one in the front, one in the back here. It's a 3-piece. So you got 3 nuts to hold it onto the front pipe, 1 hanger up front, 1 clamp here, hanger on the driver's side, hanger on the passenger side. In the back, you have the 1 single hanger there, and that's it. It's a relatively easy install. We got that Megan Racing on there now. So far it came out pretty good. It's actually pretty lined up well. So we're gonna do some noise. I am gonna pull the silencer. I think it's a little too quiet for my liking, but we'll pull a silencer, see how it sounds, do some drives, give you some sound clips. I did install the intake since my last few videos I uploaded, so we'll get some boosty noise. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned.